Groups are used to provide multiple people with shared roles. Let's take a look at how you can create a group in PDK.io. To create a group, you will first need to navigate to the Groups page from the customer dashboard. Next, click the yellow button labeled Add Group. Once the dialog box opens, input the name you want to assign to the new group. Then click Save. Now you will be automatically brought to the page for this group. If you want to assign this group to a specific partition, click the Edit Group button and select the partition from the drop-down menu that appears. Then click Save. On this page, you can also configure rules for the group, but we cover this process in detail in other videos in this how-to series. To add users to a group, press the button labeled Add Members. Then select the users you want to add to the group and press Add. A user can be a member of multiple groups within the same customer account. And that's all. Now you have populated your account with people and groups. You can move on to establishing access rules, pulling reports, and more. ProdataKey is easy to use anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Watch the next video in this series for more how-to instructions.